I should hit on the refresh button right here. You're going to see that it's going to reload. And if it does reload, you're going to see that, yes, he made about $136 in a day, $44, 13, $4, $6, 12, 14, 31, 93, 558 in a day. Hello guys, you're welcome back, and it's your favorite guy Ebenezer Earthlink. And in today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing us how that's my student right here made over $558 in a day by creating content online. And in this particular month, he made about $942.178 by just writing content online. I know this right now is going to be blur, like I can't even say it, but I'm going to try put it up on the screen right here so you guys can actually see it clearly for yourselves how he made this a particular amount of money by writing content. Now in this particular video guys, what I'm going to do, right, I'm going to show you guys what he did. It's actually a secret that people out there will not want to share with you. And in this particular video guys, I'm going to show you guys what he did, everything he did step by step. Now if you watch the video to the end, you'll be able to understand everything I'm going to show you guys. And normally I would go to my laptop screen to show you guys what he did, but no, I'm going to use this cell phone right here to show you guys the exact same thing he did. And with your phone, you don't have an excuse. If you have a phone, if you're watching this right now, that means you have a phone. And with your phone, you can actually do the exact same thing. This works on any type of phone. With your cell phone, you can actually do the exact same thing that he is doing. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to show you guys everything that you need to know step by step. So if you're interested in this, be sure to stick with me to the end of this video so that you learn all the nitty-gritties, all the step-by-step method that I'm going to show you guys. Alright guys, so without further ado guys, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys everything you need to know from A to Z. But before I do that guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Earthlink, and one thing I do on this particular channel is that I create awesome videos that are centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that when next upload a new video on how to make money online guys, you get notified. Alright, also share some secrets, alright, on this particular channel. So without further ado guys, let's go and let me show you guys all the details. Alright guys, welcome back, and right on the screen somewhere, I'm gonna try to put the screen of this phone right on the screen, either here or here. Alright, so I'm gonna try to click the refresh button. I'm gonna click the refresh button right now. I've clicked it. I'm clicking it again so that it's gonna refresh, so that you see that nothing here is doctored. Now on this day he made $136, and the other time he made $44.13. It all depends on the work you put in. All right, if you work, that is when you earn. If you don't work, you don't earn. So it's like an active income thing. All right, but if you put in work over time, it helps you, like you have traffic over time, you're gonna get paid more even when you're not working. And guys, I'm gonna explain how all of this works before I start the main tutorial. All right, so on the 20th, he made about $93, and on the 19th, he made about $558. That is the highest earning he made in this month. And at the end of the day, he made about $942.178 in a month, guys. Now let me explain how this is gonna work. Now he's writing articles online, and he creates content. He writes content online, and he puts it on his blog. He has a blog, he has a website. Now on this particular website, he gets to sign up for an ad account. Guys, I'm going to explain all of these things to you. I'm going to show you the website you can go to and sign up for an ad account, put it in your website and start making money. It's that simple, right? So guys, so what he did basically is, let's go to his website. And I'm just going to give you a quick one. So on this particular website, I'm going to try to plug it into the website. He writes content that are based on politics, all right? Because in Nigeria, stuff that has to do with politics, they always go viral. Now the thing is, he doesn't even know where this thing happens. He just go to Punch, Daily Times, and then he gets articles from Daily Times and Punch. And once he gets the article, he comes back and go to this website Quillbot and paraphrase those articles. Like he changes from being the original to something, from the original content to something he wrote. Now he doesn't write it. He just all I have to do is use Quillbot and change some things. All right, and he gets uploaded on his website. And I'm going to show you guys the ad. All right, I'm going to show you guys the ad. Now, if you guys request to have a complete tutorial on this thing, guys, I'm going to come back and show you guys everything on my laptop screen from A to Z. I'm going to show you how to buy a website. I'm going to show you how to fix the website. I'm also going to show you guys how to apply for the ads and also put in the ads on your website, and also I'm just going to show you guys how to write this content. All right, but this is just the idea, what he did and what he does to actually make money online as a blogger, as an article, as a content writer. So right here, he gets content. Basically, the last time he wrote content was 52 minutes ago. All right, and I'm actually going to cover the content, guys, because I don't want you guys to know the website. He said, not me now, he said he doesn't want you guys to know it, but then, hey, this is what he does. So he writes content, and he gets this content from magazine, magazine, Daily Times, Punch, or Tribune, and then he comes back, change the heading of the article, get his own picture so that it will be free from plagiarism, as you guys call it. So when he does that, he publishes it, and then, guys, the next thing here is traffic. All right, I've talked about the ads company, and I've talked about getting content, right? I've said where you can get content and how you can actually change it to become original using the paraphrasing tool Quillbots. All right, so let me repeat myself: get content from Daily Times, Punch News, or anywhere, and paraphrase it using Quillbots. But you must make the headline of the article to be attracting. Use your own human initiative to write headlines that are going to be interesting, still based on what the content is all about. And then when you've done that, now you need to get traffic to your website, because it's the traffic that gets to your website that gets monetized. Now, like, if more people see your content, it means you make more money. All right, if more people see your content, it means you make what? More money. Just like I told you guys earlier, the more people that sees this particular video on YouTube right here, I'm actually gonna make more money once more people sees the video, right? The more the traffic, the more money you make. That is it. The more people that sees it, that is traffic. All right, so now look at this. This is AdsKeeper, right? He has an ad with AdsKeeper, so you can actually go to AdsKeeper and sign up, and that is one. Now you see I've been redirected to another website. That is one. So if you continue to scroll down and we click on something like this and it opens up, we're going to see ads. All right, these are ads. You see, AdsKeeper is showing us an ad right now. Okay, and you see this is also an ad. This is also an ad, right? And this ad is from a publishing website. A website that's made for publishers, and the name of the website is called Propeller Ads. It was previously called Propeller Ads. All right, so you can see these interstitial ads now. These are interstitial ads. All right, so it was called Propeller Ads before. Now, I think 2 years ago, right? All right, 2 years ago it was called Propeller Ads, and currently it's called publishers.montag.com. So you can go to publishers.montag.com, sign up, and get your ad link, put it on your website and places where you should put it up, and you start making money. It's that simple, guys. So if you guys request for a proper video, like an A to Z video of how we did this, guys, I'm going to get to my laptop screen and show that, but that is going to be based off your request. Okay, so basically how he makes money is because he's on the ads. I'm going to explain this again. Now, how does he get the traffic? That's the most important thing. How does he get the traffic? So there are ways to get traffic to your blog. The first one is SEO, and SEO is called search engine optimization. If you write original content that are based on things that people are searching for online, let's say you write about bath scrub, or like let's say a product, you write a review on a product, and people search for that particular product, and you happen to be the one doing the best thing that Google needs you to do on your blog, you're going to come out first, all right? Or you're going to come out in the search result, all right? So this is one way that we'll publish our affiliate links, our affiliate products, but we're not talking about affiliate product right now. We're talking about just blogging and earning off just your blogging. All right. So you do SEO, search engine optimization, and you earn. And when people see your products or your content on the search engine, just like on Google, you get to make money when they say it. Now I'm going to try pull up and go to let's just go to Google. All right. Let's open a new tab here. And let me search for Pioneer Review, right? Payoneer is actually a payment gateway, and I want to look for the review. So you see that Payoneer is the first website that comes on, right? But then there are also people who are writing articles on Payoneer. So you see this G2.com wrote a review on Payoneer. It says Payoneer review and product details. It talks about Payoneer, and if this person has an ad on the website, once I get to that particular website and click on the ad or view the ad, the person who owns the website will get to earn. That's how it works. That is how you get traffic from search engine optimization. Now, what this guy does, he doesn't do search engine optimization. What he does basically is that he gets traffic from social media. And one of the social media he gets traffic from is Facebook. That is where he pays. He's not on Instagram, he's not on Twitter, he's not on TikTok. He's just getting traffic just off Facebook, guys. And guys, I'm going to show you guys what he did. All right. So let's go to Facebook now. I'm going to blow a few things in case you're not seeing everything. So he has this particular Facebook page, which can also do the same thing. Create a Facebook page, but first of all, you must have a Facebook account. So with your Facebook account, you create a Facebook page, and you'll be sure to grow that Facebook page. Now, let me go to the timeline. So he also asked that I don't show the name of his Facebook page. So guys, I'm going to try blog it. I'm sorry for this. I wanted to show you guys everything, but it's off my jurisdiction. So if you look at this properly, you're going to see that he has over 141k followers. That's a lot of followers on Facebook. It's more, but then it's a lot. So what he does basically is that when he writes his content on his blog, he copies the link to his content and comes to his blog and just come to his Facebook page and just paste it there. It's that simple. So wake up in the morning, write a blog, or you paraphrase an article, you spin an article, post it on your blog with picture, and then just come back on your Facebook page and post it, and you get traffic. It's that simple, guys. So that is how he has been able to make this lot of money by just blogging, by just writing content online, guys. So guys, I'm happy to have you guys watch this, and if you guys request that I make a full video on this, guys, I'm going to go into details and make a full tutorial with this, but then it's not going to be with his own properties. It's going to be with my own properties, so you guys can see everything clearly, A to Z. All right, guys, so it's gonna be a peace out right now, and guys, I'm gonna see you guys in another video where I show you guys how to make money online by just doing one or two things online. It's that simple. Peace out.